Namaskar everyone. India has 17,656 confirmed cases and 559 deaths due to coronavirus. China death toll jumps dramatically. US death toll passes 40,000. Major cities are in desperate need of essentials. Workplace challenges are predicted post-COVID. Economy is tanking. My news feed is full of these as well as other coronavirus related news. Do you have similar experience to share? When news is important, we need to stay informed. But constantly taking in headlines about risk, infection, death, it stokes off your engine. It increases our stress level. And this takes a toll on our health, physical as well as mental. We also tend to give more attention to bad rather than good news. This is the negativity bias. Media on its part sensationalizes news. This is done to get our attention, and it surely gets. Sensational news are shown repeatedly. Social media is like an icing on top of the cake. With just a click of a finger, these sensational news tend to go viral. Sometimes fake news and rumors are also spread in this manner. Now we are taking in news so that we can make rational decision. But with such sensationalizing of news, it does not really do that. In fact, it incites fear, it incites anger and hopelessness. On top of that, our cognitive biases also come under play. What are these? These are errors in our thinking. When we make sense of the world around us, when we process this information during this process, sometimes cognitive biases take place. The most common is the confirmation bias, which means that we tend to seek out information which is in alignment with what we already believe to be true, and then we disregard the other. The second bias is called the anchoring bias, which means that we tend to believe the first piece of information that comes to us, and then we do not take in the other information that is available next. Another bias, which is very common, it's called the optimism bias, which means that we tend to believe that bad things will not happen to us. In this context, we might believe that we will not get coronavirus, it's the others. So, with this sensationalizing of news and with these cognitive biases that do take place, do you think we make rational decision? Well, sometimes it is the opposite which tends to be true. So, what do we do about it? Can anything be done? Yes, surely something can be done. Firstly, let us be conscious and aware about these cognitive biases. If we are aware about it, hopefully we will not fall prey to it. We will be more conscious about it. Secondly, let us be very sure about the source of the information, about the authenticity of the source. So we should not take in and we should not process all that is available around us. So only authentic sources. And we have to be very careful before we share it with others, because we do not want to be part of spreading rumors and fake news. Thirdly, let us consciously seek out positive news. So it goes against our nature, but still let us consciously do that, so that we are still hopeful about the future, so that we are inspired to do something about the world. And then when we share it, probably we can inspire others to to be part of the solution rather than the problem. And fourthly, and very importantly, let us be mindful and conscious about the media that we are consuming, about the news that we are consuming. Sometimes, probably, we need to take a break from the breaking news. With this appeal to all of us, today on 21st April, I'm signing off today. This is Jayashree Sarda from Roshni Counseling Center, Hyderabad, India. Thank you so much.